This is Amy Zimmer from Holland Hunter Realtors with your real estate motivation. The pandemic has brought about a seismic shift in the perspective on housing. People have had a lot of time to think about the perfect home over the last few months, and what they were looking for pre-pandemic is likely to be entirely different from what they seek now. As home becomes more important than ever, renovations, upgrades, and moves to greener areas have gained popularity. A survey from Realtor.com found that home buyers valued quiet neighborhoods, outdoor spaces, and proximity to grocery stores during the pandemic. With much of their daily routines revolving around the home, house hunters are clearly looking for more space, flexibility, and options to work remotely, exercise, and also make their lives more comfortable while they're staying inside. More space, updated kitchens, and home gyms top the list of desired changes for buyers' current homes. Buyers would also like an updated style or aesthetics, more natural light, and a yard or patio. Stay-at-home order limitations reflected shifting homes' feature desires. For their next homes, buyers and homeowners are looking for homes where they can work and decompress too, a place with a more laid-back lifestyle. This means more efficient spaces, including tucked away offices and outdoor areas with covered patios, outdoor kitchens, and other places where you can relax. Families may be attracted to homes with a more traditional layout of separate rooms instead of a really open floor plan, and with privacy, good acoustics, and several ensuite bedrooms so that everyone has their personal space to get school assignments or work done. Buyers seek more space in the house or really just a bigger home, additional outdoor space or acreage, and an updated kitchen with a kitchen pantry so they have that extra space for your groceries. With the prevalence of work at home, buyers also wanted more or better technology, like a faster Wi-Fi and smart home features in their next home. However, although they seek these fully automated homes, and that's kind of a must now, many are also looking for space in the home to get away from technology. Separation from neighbors, along with additional rooms and bathrooms, were also important consumer features. With more individuals working from home, there's that greater need for dedicated functional workspace and home offices with Zoom room capabilities. This is now an essential, not just the flex space where you can kind of just make a work space get by. A new feature is a dedicated package drop-off area or larger garage, extended foyers, or mudrooms where you can make room for deliveries. That way packages can be stored safely without anyone having to come inside your house for a delivery. Post-pandemic, homeowners and buyers want space. They don't want to be cooped up. But conversely, they also want community and be able to connect with their neighbors. And everyone's preferences are really predicated on prolonged homestays, remote work challenges, and managing families as we create our new normal. Stay safe, be well, and happy home buying.